morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we are going to write an EOY exam. Yes, are you ready, my dear children? Yes, get ready for your exam. Okay? Yes, now you will take your EOY assessment question papers part 1 and part 2 and also rule pencil, eraser, sharpness along with you. I will give you 5 seconds time, just you have to ready, okay? Yes, I start counting 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope my dear children you are ready with your exams. See this, my dear children, we are going to write a ELGA 1, right? EOY assessment part 1. Here you have to write your name. Okay, write neatly. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, this one. What day this day? Yes, 15/3/2021. Right? Here you have to write the date. Then here not have a class and section. So you will write, you have a first standard, right? So you will write first standard. Which section you are? A, B or C? Just you have to write down here. I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to complete this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. I hope you are all finished this one. Shall I move to the first Roman letter, dictation. Write the spellings of the words you hear. Now, my dear children, you will take your rule pencil, write neatly. First of all, you have to write it here. A, B, C. Okay, first one I will say that just you have to hear the word. Shall I say now? Yes. Rob, rob, rob. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. If you are not finished means just you have to pause the video and then write it. Again you have to hear rob. Next one, B. Zib, zib, zib. Yes. Write neatly. Zib. Next, C. Mug, mug, mug. Once again I will say the A1, rob, B1, zib, third one, mug, right? Yes, let us move to the B section. D. D the first one, I'll say mad, mad, mad. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Second one, people, people, people. Yes. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, third one, different, different, different. Yes. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Different. Next one, learning, learning, learning. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, fifth one, my dear children. Anywhere, anywhere, anywhere. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, my dear children, you are all finished the dictation. questions, right? Yes. If you can't finish me, just you will pause the video and write the answers. Write neatly, my dear children. Yes, let us move to the next question. See the question. What is that? Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Middle sound means what? Center, right? This is a beginning, middle and end. I'll say that. You listen carefully for the middle sound. Did you hear that? So which picture has a middle sound A? Just you have to circle the word. Okay? Yes. Next one. Cross out the odd word. Cross out the odd word. Odd means what? Different. So just you have to listen the three pictures with word which has a different sound. Just you have to cross out. Okay? Yes. Cross out means spherical query like that. Right? Yes. Next. This too you have to complete, my dear children. Yes. Next one. Circle the pictures from the same word family as the first one in the box. Do you know about that? You have to see the first box. Read out this cup. Right? Just you have to read the remaining three pictures. Which has a first one? Just you have to circle the picture. Same word family. Next also same hog. These three pictures you have to read out the picture which has the same word family from the first box. I'll give you 5 seconds time. This and all very easy, right? Yes. Just you have to circle the pictures which has the same word family from the first one in the box. Yes, my dear children. Let us move to the fifth question. See that. Draw and write 2 or 3 sentences on a festival that I like. Do you remember this, my dear children? Which festival do you like? For the example, just you have to draw here. Draw and label your drawings here, right? Diwali, Pongal, like that. Just you have to draw and label your drawings. After that, you have to write here 2 or 3 sentences for your drawing, about your drawing. Okay, do you understand? Here you have to draw a festival that you like, and after you will label your drawing. Then you will write here 2 or 3 sentences about your drawing. Okay, yes. Do you understand from this fifth question? Yes, you will pause the video, then complete this page. Okay? Yes, let us move to the next question. So, my dear children, this is the part 1 question paper finished. Next one, part 2. This is the part 2 ELGA 1 EOY assessment. Here also you have to write down your name, then date. What is the date today? 15/3/2021. Here you have to write your name. What is that? Class, first standard, sections. Okay, yes. See that. Read the story carefully and answer the given questions. I will read the story. You listen carefully. Not now. Not now. This is the title of the story, right? Author Rogini Nikloni. Illustration Ruchi Shah. See that? See the first page. Rohit asked his grandmother for laddus. She says, "Not now, beta," but he does not want to wait. Right? Yes, let us move to the next one. He asked his grandfather if he can go out to play. He says, "Not now, beta, maybe after your nap." Right? But he does not want to wait. Next page. Rohit asked his mother if he can wear his new clothes now? She says, not now, beta, only when we go out. But he wants to wear them now, right? This is the first page here. We have to take the next page. He then asked his father if he can open the nice looking box. He says, not now, beta, you must wait. But he wants to open it now. Next one. Rohit could not understand why the big people always told him to wait. See that the next morning he could eat the laddus, go to play, wear his new clothes and open the big box. Yes, it was his birthday. What is that? It was Rohit's birthday. That's why they are told to like that, right? Yes, Rohit finally understands why not now. Do you understand for the story, my dear children? Yes, why they said like that? Because next morning they gave a gift to his Rohit, right? Yes. Are you clear from this story? Yes, this like you have to read out the story. Now, we have to complete the questions related that story. We read the story, right? Yes. Listen to the questions read by the teacher and answer the questions. We read that story, right? So, sixth question. Match each word with the correct picture by drawing a line. Now, you have to take your rule pencil. You have to read the words first. Just you have to match the pictures. Okay? Play, birthday, clothes, box. For the example, play. Where is the picture? Here. You have to draw a line, word with picture. This like you have to complete this sixth question. I will give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Play, birthday, clothes, box. Right? Yes. Next, let us move to the 7th question, my dear children. Number the pictures in the correct sequence. See, we read the story, right? So, from this, sequencing means what? Put the things in correct order. So, just you have to connect the story with picture. Which has a first one, which has a second one, which has a third one, fourth one. This like you have to write the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, which has like that. Okay, my dear children? Yes. For the example, this is the first one, right? Yes, this like you have to complete this. Yes, my dear children, I hope you are all finished this neatly, okay? Let us move to the next page, next question. Who is the story about? The story is about dash. Here you have to fill the answer. Next. Yes, I'll give you 30 seconds time. You have to complete this. Yes, I hope you are all finished. Next, what does Rohit want to do this picture. Rohit wants to dash. See the picture. Open or shop the box. Which one is the correct one? Bracket having the answer, right? So Rohit wants to dash the box. You have to complete this. Which one is the correct answer? You have to fill the dash. Okay? Yes. I'll give you 30 seconds time. Great, my dear children. This like 10th question also same this like, okay? Yeah? Just you have to complete this like. What does Rohit want in this picture? See the picture. What is this? Just you have to write the answer. Rohit wants to dash the picture. This like the hat. Related this question also you have to complete this. Okay? You have to complete the sentence. Okay? Yeah? Yes, great, my dear children. Let us move to the 11th question. What is the theme of this story? Tick the correct answer. Sad or birthday? Which one is the correct one? Just you have to tick. Okay? What is the theme of the story? Sad or birthday? Yes. Next. What do you do when your father asks you to wait? This is your own answer, my dear children. What do you do when your father asks you to wait? You wait பண்ணனும் உங்க டாடி சொல்லிட்டாங்கன்னா நீங்க என்ன செய்வீங்க? Just you have to complete this sentence with your own words. Okay? For the example, I was crying, I am crying, I am happy, I am wait. This like you have to complete this. Okay? Yes. Yes, let us move to the next one. Make each word many. Many means more than one. Do you know that? Yes, tree. Just you have to write the many. Which word come like that? Tree means trees. What letter we have to add? S. Tree, boy. Just you have to complete this. I will give you 10 seconds time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. If you are not finished means pause the video and write the answers neatly. Yes. Let us move to the 14th question. From this position words we already know that. We read that, right? So this slide we have to complete this pattern. Choose the correct word to complete the sentence. From this unit we read some preposition words, right? See the picture first. Yes, the boy is jumping dash the pool. See the picture? Into or on. Which one is the correct? Just you have to write down the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, the bag is dash the chair. See the bag. Where is the bag? Which one is the correct one? On or under? The bag is dash the chair. You have to fill this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next one, the dog is dash the house. See that. Where is the dog? Near or under? Which one is the right one? You have to write down the answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next, see the picture. Children are playing dash the tree. See that. Where are the children? Yes. Under or in? Which one is the correct one? You have to fill it now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Great, my dear children. This like you have to complete the 14th question. You have to pause the video. If you are finished means let us move to the 15th question. See that? Match the sentences with the pictures. See that? Where is that? Here having 4 pictures. The boy is in the tub. Next one, the toys are in the box. Next one, the fruits. Just you have to find out the pictures, the fruits. Where is the fruit picture? Just you have to find out are on the table. Right? Yes. Next one, the man is standing near the car. Where is the man picture? This like you have to find out the picture. After that you have to take a rule pencil. The boy is in the tub. Where is that? Here. This like you have to draw a line sentence with picture. I'll give you 30 seconds time. You have to complete this. Great, my dear children. If you are not finished means pause the video and then complete. Okay? Yes. Great, Kutima. Let us turn the next page. 16th question. Fill in the blanks with the correct word from the boxes. Already we learnt about the adverbs, right? See the words quickly, loudly, right? Yes. See the sentence. The frog can hop dash. Which word here come? Quickly or loudly? Just you have to find out the answer, then complete the sentence. Next, the baby was crying dash inside the house. Which one is the correct one? Loudly or quickly? Just you have to finish this dash, right? Yes. Next, let us move to the, I'll give you 10 seconds time. Just you have to complete this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Great, my dear children. Next 17th question. Circle the adverbs in each sentence. Just you have to read the sentence. Which one is the adverb? Do you know already, right? Yes, just you have to circle the sentence. Anju showed the trophy happily. Which one is the adverb from the sentence? You have to circle that. Next, Anil ate his breakfast quickly. Which one is the adverb from the sentence? Just you have to circle. Right? Yes. Next, let us move to the 18th question. Write 2 action words that you see in the picture. Already we know about that from this. We have to see the picture, then write down some answers, right? Yes, see the pictures. Just you have to write the 2 action words. Play, right, slide, run. These are all the action words. Just you have to write any 2. I give you 30 seconds time. Yes, great, my dear children. You are finished, right? If you are not finished means pause the video, see the pictures again. You will write any two action words. Do you know lot of action words, right? Yes. Great, my dear children. This is the EOY assessment paper, ELGA part 1, part 2 assessment papers, right? Just like you have to complete this, okay? Write neatly, my dear children. You have a doubt means you have to again play the video and pause that, write the answers, okay? Write neatly. Bye. All the best. Thank you. Be safe, my dear children. Yes.